guys, Sojeong here. Today I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic function using null factor law.
Hello my friends! Today I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equations using null factor law. What is null factor law? It's basically 0 times by anything is 0, and also any number times by 0 is 0 as well. We're going to be using this fact to solve quadratic equations today. Let's have a go with the first example. We have x plus 2 times by x minus 4 equals 0. If the first bracket becomes 0, it will be 0 times by x minus 4, which is 0, because 0 times by anything is 0. So let's let our first bracket be 0 to solve for our first solution. X plus 2 is 0, transpose 2 to the right, it will be negative 2. So x is negative 2 is the first answer. Second solution can be obtained by letting the second bracket be 0. Because if the second bracket is 0, the whole thing will be 0. So x minus 4 equals 0. Move negative 4 to the right, it will be positive 4. So x is positive 4. So we got two solutions here. X is negative 2 or x is 4. Let's move on to our second example. We have x plus root 2, x plus 3 is 0. Same thing as example 1. Let's let each bracket be 0. X plus root 2 is 0, therefore x is negative root 2. Second bracket goes 0, so it will be x plus 3 equals 0, x is negative 3. So we have our two solutions here. Let's move on to example 3. We have 2x plus 3 times by 5 minus x is 0. First bracket becomes 0, 2x plus 3 equals 0. Move 3 first, so 2x equals negative 3. Divide both sides by 2, so therefore x is negative 3 on 2. Let's let our second bracket equal 0. 5 minus x is 0. Move 5 to the right, it becomes negative 5. And divide both sides by negative 1, it will be x is 5. So we get our two solutions, x is negative 3 on 2, or x is 5. So have you noticed this shortcut of solving quadratic equation using null factor law? So for example, if you have x plus a, x plus b equals 0, all you have to do is switch the sign. So from first bracket, we have plus a, so it'll be x is negative a. And from the second bracket, we have plus b, so second answer will be negative b. And if you have a number next to x, for example, ax plus b, cx plus d equals 0. So from our first bracket, switch the sign like we did before, negative b, and divide it by the number next to x, a. So x is negative b on a, or same thing, switch the sign, negative b, divided by the number next to x, c. So two solutions, negative b on a or negative d on c. So let's apply this rule to our example 4. We have 5x minus 2, x plus 7 equals 0. So from the first bracket, switch the sign, positive 2, divided by the number next to x, 5. So 2 on 5 is our first answer. From our second bracket, we don't have number next to x. So all we have to do is switch the sign, negative 7. So we have x is 2 on 5 or negative 7 as our answer.
Thank you so much for watching our quadratic videos today. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel for more math tips and materials. Study smarter, not harder with Zach.